go. Here we go. First, we're going to drop it into place, and then you're just going to go, okay?
Trick comes.
Okay, Ethan, give me the scooter.
Oh, nice! I just got that.
He's ready for a cool trick too.
I got that one. Dude, stop. Oh, I just got that too.
Move. Okay, here I go. Watch out, you guys. Everybody move. Okay, move.
Oh, the batteries.
Here we go. Move. You guys stay. Move. Purple shirt.
Matthew, move. Wait. I got ya.
The car's all the way up there.
Someone look down.
Drive it. Don't touch it, you guys. Only the driver gets to touch it. Alright, here we go.
Let's go. Oh shit, the phone!
Alright, let me just do the jump.
Wait, put the car up. I got it.
That's extreme.